Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to order fractions on a number line. So here I have my fractions. I have 1/6, 2/3, 5/6, and 1/2. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my number line. And right away I'm going to place my benchmarks. So I know that I start with 0 and I end with 1 because all fractions are in between 0 and 1. Right away I know that I can place my half on my number line because that's another benchmark. So right in the middle I'm going to place 1/2. Then I'm going to look at my fractions. I have 1/6, 2/3, 5/6, and 1/2. So because I have two fractions with a denominator of 6, I'm going to see if my other two fractions can be changed to equivalent fractions in order to have a denominator of 6 as well. So looking at this denominator, I know that I can multiply 3 by something in order to get 6. And I also know that I can multiply 2 by something to get 6. So down here, I'll leave my 1/6 and my 5/6 because these I don't have to change. I'll look at my 2/3. So I know that I have to multiply my 3 by something in order to get 6. I know that 3 times 2 equals 6. Whatever I do to the bottom, I must also do to the top. If you times the numerator by 2, you have to times the numerator by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So my next fraction is 4/6. Then I have my 1/2. I know I have to multiply my 1/2 by something in order to get a denominator of 6. I know that 2 times 3 equals 6, and whatever I multiply my denominator by, I have to multiply my numerator by as well. I know that 1 times 3 is 3, so my next fraction is 3/6. Now, because I have all my denominators the same, I know how many sections to break this number line up into. So, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'll count my 1 as the last 6 because 1 is the same as 1 whole, which would also be 6/6. So now I go to place my numbers. 1/6 is on the first line. My 2/3 we said was the same as 4/6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write 2/3 or 4/6. Then I have my 5/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is right here. And my 1/2 is already placed as my benchmark, but just to be sure, I'll check and make sure it's right. So we know that 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. So 1, 2, 3. It's on the third one. So 3/6. And that's how you place your numbers on the number line.